Eating is considered to be one of life's greatest pleasures, but it's important for us to choose foods that will nourish our bodies and help us stay healthy. When it comes to a good meal, the food we choose isn't the only important choice we have to make. Some of the habits we have after eating can negatively affect our body. In today's video, we're going to show you what not to do after you eat. Drink tea. This might be news to you since some teas are said to improve digestion. The problem is that teas contain phenolic compounds which keep our bodies from absorbing iron. However, if you like drinking tea after you eat, always give priority to the ones that aid in digestion, such as green tea, chai, basil, sage, rosemary, and chamomile. Smoke. There's actually never a good time to smoke. Cigarettes contain over 4,500 toxic substances which increase the risks of the smoker developing a disease. Even with the amount of information and anti-tobacco campaigns nowadays, there are still people who insist on lighting up a cigarette after they eat. Even though there isn't any strong evidence, it's believed that smoking after you eat can cause ulcerative colitis and even worsen the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Nap. You always get a little sleepy after eating a good meal, but even though you really want to take a nap, this practice is directly tied to obesity. Furthermore, sleeping with a full stomach increases the risk of heartburn. Depending on the way you lie, part of the food you just ate and gastric fluid could come back up and cause that unpleasant burning sensation. People who snore and go to sleep with a full stomach are putting more pressure on their diaphragm and lessening their sleep quality. Eat fruit. Fruit is very healthy, but when you eat it can be very important. When you eat fruit after a meal, it ends up digesting in your stomach with the rest of your food and can cause flatulence. Take a bath. You've probably already heard that our body needs a good blood flow in order to perform its different tasks, one of them being digestion. After a meal, circulation is directed to your abdominal region, and all of our blood is aiding digestion. When you take a bath or swim at the beach or pool, your circulation is directed to your extremities in order to stabilize your body temperature. This process can mess up your digestion, so you need to wait at least an hour after eating before you go swimming. Walk. Just like eating fruit, walking can be bad for your digestion depending on when you do it. Right after a meal, walking can cause acid reflux and indigestion, but if you wait 30 minutes, it becomes beneficial and can aid digestion and weight loss. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.